Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nitu's World. Today I am going to read and explain a poem, and the name of the poem is She Was a Phantom of Delight, written by William Wordsworth. In this poem, Wordsworth describes his wife and his reaction to her. He chooses to depict 3 points in their developing relationship: when they first met, as they began to know each other better, and now that they are married. She was a phantom of delight when first she gleamed upon my sight. When he saw her for the first time, the poet felt that she was a spirit of happiness, a lovely apparition sent to be a moment's ornament. She was lovely, and he felt that she had been sent to make him proud of her even for a short time. Her eyes as stars of twilight to her dusky hair. Her eyes were as beautiful as a star in the evening, and her hair also was as dark as the evening. But all things else about her drawn from Maytime and the cheerful dawn. In order to create her, nature might have collected all the beautiful things from the spring season and the cheerful morning, a dancing shape and image gay to haunt, to startle and waylay. Her shape was like that of a graceful dancer, and her attractive mental picture would always be in the thoughts of the poet, and sometimes he would be surprised and frightened by her thoughts. I saw her upon nearer view, a spirit yet a woman too. In the second paragraph, when the poet was in closer contact with her, and he realized that she was still a spirit, but at the same time he also felt that her womanly qualities, her household motions light and free, and steps of virgin liberty. She would move here and there in his home lightly and freely, doing household work. Her freedom showed that she was still a virgin, a countenance in which did meet sweet records, promises, and sweet. The poet could see sweet remembrances and sweet promises on her face that they have promised together. A creature not too bright or good for human nature's daily food. She was not excessively bright or good for many of the things which one had to face in everyday's life. She was still an ordinary woman. For transient sorrows, simple vials, praise, blame, love, kisses, tears, and smiles, she would inspire the poet. She had all the following human qualities to a moderate degree of transient sorrows, simple vials, praise, blame, love, kisses, tears, and smiles. And now I see with eyes serene the very pulse of the machine. The poet saw her very calmly. He felt that her pulses were beating very quickly like a machine. A being breathing thoughtful breath, a traveler between life and death. She was very thoughtful woman, yes, and a traveler between life and death. She was a companion for him through whole his life till his death. The region, form, the temperature, will, endurance, foresight, strength, and skill, a perfect woman nobly planned. All the actions of her were reasonable. She was wise enough to tolerate all the unpleasant things in his life. She was equally concerned with the future. The poet claims that his wife was a perfect woman whom God created grandly. In spite of all those, she was still a spirit, because she was bright with angelic light, whom God created grandly. He loves her. Okay.